guys, so today I'm going to show you how to shape the perfect dinner roll. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, give the video the thumbs up, and of course, please share the video with family and friends. Let's see how many views we can get on this video. But in the meantime, let's get started with showing you how to shape your dinner rolls. Okay, so here we have our dough. So I'm just going to dust just a little flour, because in order to get this to shape well, you can't use a lot of flour because you won't get enough traction. So this is my dough here. All right. Just going to roll it out. So that I can divide the dough. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to divide up the dough. So let's go first half, and then I'm going to go half here and half here. Okay, nice. Okay, so what we're going to do in order to form our perfect dinner roll shape is we're just going to press it down like this, and then we're going to bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, just as you see here. Then we're going to turn it over, and we're going to put our hand on our surface, cover it over the dough slightly, but with our hand touching, slightly touching, and we're going to roll in a circular motion. That's why we cannot put too much flour, or else we wouldn't get any traction, because if we had too much flour, it would just slide. But we want to get that traction. So as I'm rolling, it is forming it into that perfect ball. And then we simply place it on our baking sheet. Perfectly shaped dinner roll. Let's do another one, and we will do a little close-up with this one. So that's it. That's how you shape your perfectly round dinner rolls. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, give the video the thumbs up, and of course, please don't forget to share the video with as many persons as possible, so that others can also see how they can shape their dinner rolls as well. See you in my next video. Bye for now.